Hello students, good evening. You know, let us try to understand preparation of alkenes from alkyne. Okay, preparation of alkenes from alkynes. Okay, so dear students, you know by the reduction of alkynes we can get the alkene. Okay, because we can add out the hydrogen atom in the alkynes and we can get the alkenes. But that we have to keep in mind, student, that is you have to selective reducing agent we have to take. Okay, if you are taking normal reducing agent it will give the alkane, so we have to get the selective reducing agent. So let's have a look over it, students. What the point is, alkynes on parallel alkynes on partial reduction with the calculated amount of dihydrogen. Keep in mind, student, what the point is there. Alkynes are partial reduction with calculated amount of dihydrogen in the presence of palladized charcoal. Okay, in the presence of palladized charcoal, partially deactivated with poison, partially deactivated with the poison like sulfur compounds or quinoline give alkenes. See, students. Okay, try to understand, students, what they are saying. That is, firstly we have to do alkynes and partial reduction we have to do with calculated amount of dihydrogen. We don't have to take the excess amount, we need to take the calculated amount in the presence of palladized charcoal. Palladized charcoal means PDC. This is okay. Partially deactivate the poisonous like the poisons like sulfur compounds or quinoline give alkenes. Okay, now you see, student, quinoline also we can take. Now what they are saying, partially deactivated palladized charcoal is known as Lindelar catalyst. Okay, PDC, what is there, student? This is the what they are saying. This is known as Lindelar catalyst. Lindelar catalyst. Okay, that you keep in mind, student. Now what the point is, alkene thus obtained are having the cis geometry. So if you are taking the Lindelar catalyst, you will get that is cis alkene, dear student. This is the cis alkenes. However, alkynes on reduction with the sodium in liquid ammonia from transalkene. So if dear student, if you are taking that is sodium, in liquid ammonia, where student sodium in liquid NH3. Okay, so what it will give, student, sodium in liquid ammonia, it will give that is transalkene. It will give the transalkenes. Okay, it will give the transalkene. Dear students, let's have a look over it. Okay, so here is what is there, alkynes are there. Okay, and you are directly using hydrogen, calculated hydrogen is there, student, calculated amount. Okay, calculated amount. And what what other things you are using, that is palladized charcoal, dear student. So what it will give, cis alkene it will give. Suppose you are taking sodium in liquid ammonia, student, and that is also calculated amount of H2, so it will hydrogen is going to add on the 180 degree opposite, and here what is happening, it is in the same direction, so cis alkene, but here is opposite direction, so it is the transalkene, student. Now suppose you are having a the same way you can have the ethine. So ethine you can get the ethene, student. How? With the help of PDC. Normal, here you are using that is the cis alkane you are getting with the PDC, student, with the help of Lindelar catalyst. With the sodium in liquid ammonia you are getting transalkene. Here is also you will get the, here that is no cis and no trans, student. In the ethene there is no cis and no san. Now propine is there, student, you are using PDC, so it will give the what, student? It will give the propene, right? It will give the propene, right? So here is also no cis and trans, because here is only hydrogens are there. Okay, if there are two difference are there, that can be the different. Now see, will propene thus obtain so geometrical isomerism? What the point they are saying, will propene thus obtain so geometrical isomerism? Think for the region in support of your answers. Will propene thus obtain so geometrical isomerism? Think for the region in support of your answers. Okay. So student, if you talk about the propene, okay, that answer let us discuss. If it is the propene, student, propene. So propene is not showing geometrical. Will propene thus obtain so geometrical isomerism? Okay, so propene will not show, students. Let's see. If you are here we are taking propene. So if you talk about the propene, student, if you talk about the propene, so how it can show the geometrical isomerism? CH3, this is the CH and double bond CH2. So geometrical isomerism should require that is more different group na. If you can see that is CH is there, okay, here you can make hydrogen, but here if you go, the both side hydrogen are there, both side hydrogen are there, so you cannot be able to make cis and trans, nothing you are going, okay, so it is normal, so no geometrical, no GI, propene will not show any GI, okay. So thank you so much for watching friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel students, right. So this is our required answer students, okay. Yeah, so this is the method of preparation of alkenes from alkyne. Thank you students.